Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. A very special welcome back to Cook and Share. I wanted a quick and easy chicken dish that I could do in 30 minutes as usual, so I decided to do this apple cider chicken. Came out absolutely incredible, and yes, it's chicken with apples, but it is great. Let me show you how to do this, and let's get started. Okay guys, I'm going to kick things off by coring my apples with my handy dandy corer here. You don't have to use this, you can use a knife. Just place it in the center. Give it a push down and voila! So I'm going to pull these out and put them in a bowl of water with a bit of lemon in it. And this just stops them from going brown. And I'm going to use 3 apples here, and I'm using Honeycrisp. I just like the firm crunch and the sweetness to them, but you can use whatever apple you like. Okay, next up I'm going to season the chicken with some salt. And of course, I don't even have to say it, some ground black pepper. Now I'm just going to add salt and pepper. You can add different seasoning, but I find just the salt and pepper goes nicely with the apples. And of course, do the same for the other side. And before I start to fry the chicken breasts up, I should mention too guys, these are boneless, skinless chicken breasts. You can use thighs too if you want. I'm going to show the beautiful pans this company sent me. Now these are a Koch pan, K-O-C-H, and really a nice pan. They're non-stick, they're not too heavy. And I love the lids. They're a 4-piece set, but the lids are good and heavy, and you don't burn your hands when you pick them up. The handles feel really good. The only thing is they're a little bit light, so with any light pan, you tend to get a bow in the center, especially the wider the pan. But a really nice pan. And they're only about, for the pair of them, $67 at Amazon. I'll put the link below if you're looking for new pans. These are probably the ones you can get. Next up, I've got my pan over medium-high heat, and I'm going to add about a couple of teaspoons of oil in. And this is olive oil, but you can use the oil of your choice. Lay the chicken breasts in, and I'm going to fry these, I'd say for about 4 minutes on each side. After about 4 or 5 minutes on each side, I'm going to remove the chicken and set it aside on a plate. Next, in the same pan, I'm going to add a couple more teaspoons of oil. Put the apples in. And we're going to cook these up over medium heat until they're nicely brown and a tender crisp. While the apples are cooking, I'm going to season them up with about a tablespoon of rosemary. Use a little more if you like. In the meantime, I'm going to make up our yummy sauce, and this is simply half a cup of sweet apple cider and 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. And we'll just give this a mix. Now the apples are tender crisp. I'm going to add the chicken back in. Slowly pour our yummy sauce over. And we're going to cook this for an additional 4 or 5 minutes, just until the sauce reduces a little bit. Now after about 5 minutes, everything is beautifully done, so I'm going to plate this up and it's yum time. Of course, I'm going to drizzle some of that yumly sauce over the top. This would be really good on rice too. And of course, some greens over the top. Now this is cilantro. You can use parsley too. Oh, this looks so good, guys. Okay, let's cut into this. Oh, it's tender. get some apple on that. Just look at this, guys. Okay, here we go. Ooh, doggies. Boy, guys, this is so good. You never think apples and chicken would go so well together, but they're absolutely incredible. You got that acidic base, you got the rosemary in there. The apples are done perfectly, the chicken is tender, and it's visually stunning, the whole dish. The entire family's gonna love it. You can put this together in about 30 minutes in one pan. Gotta try it. I'm gonna eat more. For this recipe and many other great recipes, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff over there. And always remember, if you have any pics you want to share with us of food of ours you've cooked, go ahead and do it. I'll put all the links below. Thanks for watching, thanks for subbing, and stay safe.